And the studio audience used to fall down from laughter just watching Mel do these things. Freddie's trying to tell us something. The English horse.
Oh.
How they tried to catch him once.
Wait, you got to hear this. You know, we used to do weeks of westerns called Buck Benny Rides Again.
Right, with it. Andy Devine.
So we'd have a horse. Andy Devine would be on it. He'd call me Buck and everything. So he would do the horses. So first do just the horse, the whinny. That's right. Now, one day my writers and I got together and we said, let's play a dirty trick on Mel Blanc and see what he does at rehearsal. He must comment on it. So we said, let's write in an English horse. For no reason. Now, we thought certainly he must say to us, what the hell does this mean, an English horse? He never said a word to us. Never opened his mouth. When it came time to do the English horse, this is what he did. And we didn't even know it. Never said a word to us. Just did it.
Great.
Just did it.